What's up there, green smoothie rock stars? It's Deborah, and I'm so excited because I just got this brand new attachment for my Vitamix, and I'm gonna open this box right now and use it to make a smoothie. So I have the Vitamix A3500 series. We got it as a wedding present, and it's been remarkable. It's a game changer. It's life changing. And so this just came in the mail today, and I'm so excited to show you what it is. And let's take a look at what came in the box. So first of all, Vitamix always sends these amazing little guides, how to take care of your equipment, how to clean it, and usually there's some recipes involved as well. But it looks like I've got a pretty large pitcher here. I wonder if this is 32 ounces. It doesn't actually say on it. I'm gonna look it up. And then there's several, and then there's another small attachment. This is for like dressings or maybe like a dip or something. And then this is the blade. Heavy duty, we like. And then we've got two different, okay, a lid with a pour spout. Oh, it's got a buckle on it so I can carry this. We like, yeah, it's got a pour spout. And then this one is just a flat lid. It looks like just to seal things. Okay, that's good. We like that. We like a sealable lid, a pourable lid, and then this is the blade. So what we do, presumably, is put all of our ingredients into this piece of equipment here, this container, attach the blade, and then I'm assuming, oh yeah, it fits right down in there. So it's a smoothie attachment that sits down right into the base of where normally my blender or my food processor piece would sit. So stay tuned or move on to the next video where I'm gonna use this bad boy. I gotta clean it first.